Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. And today we're having a quick look at defining relative clauses. Sentence. The police have found the boy. The police have found the boy. Which boy? Who was he? Who is he? What do we know about him? Nothing. So we need some extra information to define, to identify the boy. For example, the police have found the boy who disappeared last week. The police have found the boy who disappeared last week. Have a look at this. The police have found the boy who disappeared last week. The police have found the boy who disappeared last week. The main clause is this one. The police have found the boy. The extra information, the relative clause, is who disappeared last week. The police have found the boy who disappeared last week. We need this information to define the boy. So that's a defining relative clause. So when we talk about people, we use who or that. For example, I spoke to the girl who won the competition. Or, I spoke to the girl that won the competition. When we're talking about things or animals, we use which or that. For example, I like the car that won the race. Or, I like the car which won the race. English grammar, defining relative clauses, easy peasy. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.